Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can split screen the Mozilla Firefox web browser on your desktop computer. So let us dive right into it. Alright guys, so let me head over to Mozilla Firefox, and just right from the get-go, there are basically only two different ways how you can split screen your web browser. Unfortunately guys, there's no built-in split screen feature here on Firefox. For example, if I right click into one of these open tabs, there's no split screen feature allowing me to split my display into two or more tabs. Unlike, for example, Edge or Opera or Google Chrome tool, you have that option, that built-in feature there. They don't feature that option here, guys, unfortunately, on Firefox. So the only way how we can bypass this is to open Firefox simply into a different windows on your computer. Open Firefox, minimize it, and after that open also Firefox in a separate new window and simply adjust the size of both windows. So that's one way. The other alternative, guys, to this would be to simply install an add-on or an extension here on Firefox that may allow you to split screen without opening Firefox in two separate windows. However, guys, I personally I'm not doing this because I don't trust these extensions here. For example, if I head over to the add-ons and extensions library on Firefox, I will see these search results under split screen, and that one here with only 2.5 stars. So I'm not going to install this, but if you like, that's also an alternative that, as you can see, according to the description, it will allow you to split screen Firefox. So if you like, you may install it by clicking into Add to Firefox here, using later only these shortcuts here to split your Firefox into two different halves of the screen. But that's totally up to you guys. I'm not going to do this, so I'll leave it up to you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you later on our channel.